You've been putting wrenches on cars for years, and you're still broke. Not because you're bad at the job, not because you don't work hard, because the job is built to keep you busy, not rich.
I'm really rich.
The shop gets paid, the dealer gets paid, the service writer who doesn't know a torque spec, he gets paid. And you go home with whatever's left after the split. 30 years in blue collar trades, and I've lived this from every angle. And today, I'm going to show you 6 ways to flip the skills you already have into income that has nothing to do with the shop or a bay or a boss. Just a bag of tools, the knowledge already in your head, and the willingness to point it in a different direction. So let's go. But before we do, guys, if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button for me. It's free to you, it helps our channel grow, and I appreciate you because this channel is built for blue-collar men who want more income, more options, and more control over how life goes. We've got new content dropping every single week. You don't want to miss a thing. All right, let's get into it. Here's the thing most guys never figure out. The skills that make you valuable inside the shop, they're worth even more outside of it. Inside the shop, you're splitting labor with the house. You're working someone else's hours or someone else's terms. And if the bays are slow, your check is slow. Outside the shop, though, you set the price. You set the schedule, and every dollar you earn, it goes directly to you. And here's what makes this stack differently from every other side hustle for mechanics video I've seen on YouTube. None of these require a shop, no bay, no lease, no commercial lift, your truck, your driveway, a parking lot, and that's your operation. I'm putting these in order by how fast you can land your first dollar. The easiest barrier to start, at the top. The highest ceiling, save for the last. By the time we're done, you'll know exactly which one to start with and how to scale it into something real. Hustle number 1, you start here because this is low barrier and it's high repeat. I know what some of you are thinking. Oil changes, that's it? Well, stay with me a second. Here's what the average person's relationship with oil changes looks like. They pull into a quick lube, they wait 45 minutes, they get upsold on an air filter they don't need, and they leave feeling like they just got played. Every single one of those people would have rather had someone they trust come to their house and take care of it while they sit on the porch and watch. That's you. You show up, you do it right, you don't oversell them, and you can charge $80 to $120 depending on the vehicle and what market you're in. 2 cars on Saturday morning, that's $160 to $240 before noon. Keep your overhead at 0. That's your margin. But here's where it gets interesting. Oil changes are the entry point, not the end point. Once you're under the hood, you see everything. Transmission fluid that's been in there too long, coolant that's turned brown, brake fluid that's absorbed moisture. You mention it, you give them a price, they say yes or no, and that oil change might have just turned into a $200 ticket. Now think about what happens when you do this for the same 12 to 15 people every 3 to 5 months. You've got recurring income stream going on. These people call you first always because you showed up, you were honest, and you made it easy. That's loyalty, and loyalty, it pays better than any coupon, believe me. The earning range is $500 to $1,200 a month on weekends only. What you need is a drain pan, funnels, basic fluids, a torque wrench. You've probably got all of this already except for the oil. Hustle number 2, pre-purchase inspections. This one is criminally underrated, and almost nobody is doing mobile mechanic work has figured this out yet, at least not the guys I've talked to. So let me paint the picture for you. Guy finds a 2017 Silverado on Facebook Marketplace, right? The asking price is $14,000. The seller says it's clean, no issues, just needs a new owner. That guy is about to hand over $14,000 to a stranger on the internet, and he has no idea what he's actually buying. He doesn't know if the frame's been patched. He doesn't know if the transmission is slipping. He doesn't know what those codes are that got cleared last week. That fear, that sick feeling in his stomach before he signs, that is your business opportunity. You show up, spend 30 to 45 minutes on the vehicle with a full visual inspection, scan for codes, check the frame, the fluids, the wear patterns. You write up a clean, honest report of what you found. And you can charge $100 to $150, and he pays it without flinching because he's about ready to spend $14,000. $150 to know if the truck is solid? That's the easiest yes he'll say all week. And here's the referral plate that nobody talks about. That guy tells his buddy. His buddy's buying a car next month. And now you've got 2 clients from 1 job. Post it in 3 local Facebook groups this week. I do pre-purchase inspections or something for $125 and I'll come to you. That's your entire marketing strategy to start. The earning range on this is $400 to $900 a month, 4 to 8 inspections. And all you need is a flashlight, an OBD2 scanner, a written inspection template, clean, simple, and professional. Hustle number 3, brake jobs and suspension. And let me tell you something about brakes, guys, if you don't know. Brakes are the single most common thing people put off because they got burned at a shop before. They went in for a squeak, they came out with a $900 estimate. They didn't know what half of it was for, so they drove home and they're still driving on those brakes 6 months later. That person is your client. You show up, you look at what it actually needs. You give them a straight answer and you give them a fair price. Pad and rotor job, $150 to $250 depending on the axle and vehicle. Four-wheel brake job, $250 to $400. You source your own parts. Your cost is low and your margin, it's real. Now let's talk suspension because this is where the ticket gets big. Control arms, tie rods, ball joints, sway bar links, struts. People feel it before they understand it. They feel the pull. They hear the clunk over the bump. They know something's wrong. They just don't know what the hell it is. So you diagnose it, you give them the truth, not a 4-page estimate designed to scare them off. The truth. And because you're mobile, your overhead is 0. You're not paying shop rent. You're not covering the service writer's salary. Every dollar of that labor goes straight in your pocket. It's one Saturday, 2 brake jobs and a suspension refresh. You just cleared $600 to $900 in your driveway or their driveway with your own tools. And here's the long game. The person you fix today, he trusts you now. They're not going back to that shop that burned them before. They're calling you from everything on here on out. Now that's a client, and that's a business, guys. The earning range, $800 to $2,000 a month, and moderate weekend volume. What you need, floor jack, jack stands, impact gun, basic brake kit. Most of you have this already in your garage. Hustle number 4, OBD2 diagnostics and code clearing. I want you to understand something, fellas. The check engine light is the most psychologically devastating thing that happens to the average car owner. I'm not exaggerating. That little orange light comes on and their brain immediately goes to new engine, thousands of dollars. Maybe I'll just buy a new car. They pull into AutoZone to get a free code scan. The machine spits out a P0420 catalyst system efficiency below threshold. And now they know the code. But they have no idea what it means, so they're still scared. You plug in your scanner, 90 seconds. You know exactly what it is. You know if it's a $30 sensor or a $2,000 Cadillac converter. You know if they can drive on it or if they need to stop right now. That information alone is worth $50 to $75 to that person, not because the scan is hard, because they don't have what you have, the context to understand it. And here's where most guys leave money on the table. They clear the code and walk away. Don't do that. Stick around for 5 minutes, walk them through what caused it, tell them what the repair looks like, and give them your honest opinion on whether to fix it or not, or just monitor it. That 5-minute conversation turns you from a code reader into a trusted advisor. And trusted advisors, they get called first, every time, for everything. Half of those diagnostic calls end with them asking this: can you fix it? Yes, right here, right now. That's your upsell in the driveway, right there. Even without the repair, a few diagnostic calls a week adds $300 to $700 a month with almost no overhead. Your scanner pays for itself on the second visit, and all you'll need is an Autel or Launch scanner, $100 to $200. One-time investment that pays back every week after that. I want to take a second, guys, and talk about a specific guy that's watching this video. Maybe you're watching this and the side hustle angle makes sense, but you're also thinking, I want something more than side money. I want a full career shift, higher income, remote work, something that doesn't break my body down by 50, but you don't have a 4-year degree and you're not going back to school, that's for sure. That's exactly what Course Careers is built for. They have a free intro course, guys. You can take it and see which blue-collar career is best for you. Guys without degrees, blue-collar backgrounds, just like yours maybe, they're landing $50,000 to $70,000 jobs after taking these courses. They got a free AI, it's called Cora, and she'll put you in the right area to see the courses fits you best. The link's down in the description, guys, so go check it out when the video's done. Now let's finish the stack. Number 5, mobile detailing partnership. This one's different from everything else on the list, fellas, because you're not building it from scratch, you're plugging into something that's already moving. Mobile detailers are already out there doing the work. They've already got the clients, already got trust built, and already got a route. But here's what they don't have. They don't have a mechanic. Think about what a client wants when they get their car detailed. They want it clean, right? They want it to look good. but they also want to know it runs right. When the detailer finishes and says, hey, my guy can take a quick look under the hood if you want, most people, they're going to say yes. You check the fluids, you check the basics, you find something small and you mention it. Then they ask if you can handle it. You handle it. Now here's the math on why this partnership works for everybody. Because the detailer looks more professional because he can offer more. The client gets a complete service in one visit, and you get a warm introduction to a customer who's already opened their wallet and who's already satisfied. There's no cold outreach, no ad spending, no convincing. The detailer already did the trust building for you. One good partner runs 3 to 5 new contacts a month. 2 partners, you're building a full client list without touching social media. So how do you find them? Search mobile detailing on Instagram, on Google, on Facebook, or whatever platform you're on. Message 3 of them this week and tell them what you do and tell them what you're proposing. One of them is going to say yes, I guarantee it. The earning range on this, fellas, is $200 to $600 a month to start. It grows every month as the partnership builds, and it didn't cost you $1 to set up. Hustle number 6, mechanic consulting and written repair guides. And this is the one that catches people completely off guard when I talk about it. You can get paid for your knowledge without ever picking up a wrench. Let me say that again. No car, no tools, no labor. You spent years building expertise that most people will never have no matter how many YouTube videos they watch. That expertise has value beyond the physical work, and it's time you charge for it that way. So here's the first play, written repair guides. Pick a vehicle you know cold. Say you've done 100 timing chain jobs on a 5.4 Ford or a water pump replacement on a GM 5.3. Write a step-by-step guide. Clear, detailed, honest about what's actually hard on the job. Sell it on Gumroad, on Etsy, on your own site if you've got one. Price it at $15 to $30. Now I know what you're thinking. $15? That's nothing. Until you sell it 40 times a month, that's $600 you made while you slept. From one guide. You write a second one, a third, and now you've got a catalog. I've got a friend who's doing this, guys, and he's killing it. And here's the second play, and this is where I'd start if I were you. Go to Fiverr, go to Upwork, create a profile, offer mechanic consulting sessions. And here's the pitch. I'm a 30-year-old mechanic. You pay me for 30 minutes. Tell me what your shop quoted you, and I'll tell you if it's real or if you're getting robbed. That is a service people are desperate for. Nobody trusts shops anymore. Everybody thinks they're getting played, and there is no one helping them navigate that. Until you. $50 to $100 for 30 minutes from your kitchen, from your truck, from wherever you happen to be. There's no tools, no parts, no physical labor, just pure expertise. And as your reviews build on these platforms, your rate goes up, your volume goes up. Some of these clients are going to ask if you do the actual work too. Now you've got a pipeline feeding back into everything else on the list. This is the shift from mechanic to expert, from labor to authority, and it's available to you right now with the knowledge that's already inside your head. You just haven't charged for it yet. The earning range on this, guys, is $200 to $800 a month to start. It scales as your reviews build and your catalog grows. All right, let me bring this home real quick, fellas. 6 hustles, all mobile, all built on skills you already have as a mechanic. Number 1, mobile oil changes and fluid services, recurring clients, repeat income. It's a low barrier to start, so start at this one first. Number 2, pre-purchase inspections. You're not fixing anything, you're selling what you know, and people, they will pay well for that, trust me. Number 3, brakes and suspension, highest per job pay in the entire stack. Every job builds a loyal client. Number 4, OBD2 Diagnostics. It's fast, low overhead, strong upsell potential, and it turns you into the trusted advisor in their life. Number 5, detailing partnerships. Free pipeline. Someone else builds the trust. You show up and you close the deal. Number 6, consulting and written guides. No car required, no labor, pure expertise. And with the help of AI, you can write these simply, guys. Your knowledge working for you, whether you're awake or not. Now here's the only instruction I'm giving you when this video ends, guys. Pick one, not all 6, just one, the one that fits where you're at right now. So if you've got the tools but no clients, start with the oil changes. If you've got the knowledge but don't want a wrench on weekends, then start consulting. If you want the highest per job income right away, start with brakes. Just get your first client. Get paid, then decide if you want to add to the next one. The guys who actually build side income aren't the ones who research it the longest. They're the ones who started with the first thing and figured out the rest as they went. Just get out there and get it. You've got everything you need. You've always had it. It's time to use it now and make some grip. Guys, if you like this video, make sure and check out the 2 videos on the end screen right now. Both go deeper on building real income as a blue collar man. Watch those next, and I'll see you on the next one. I'm JV Charles. I'm out.